How to see chess.com achievements. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see your chess.com achievements. So to do that, first of all, open up the chess.com app on your mobile device. And remember one thing, if you are on your browser also, this process is basically the same. What you'll have to do is simply tap on the more option on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option awards. Now you can see achievements over here. So I currently have 7 achievements out of 99. So once you go to this page, you will be able to see the list of all of your different achievements on chess.com. So that is basically how you see your achievements on chess.com. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.